Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and then the switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, the switcher turned gray. That means that Autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!